we koro, you dey hear me wine. I say you tanda gidigba. I go raise my two hands on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, StarTimes channel 195, my TV channel 17, UHF 57, where all you need to do is to turn your antenna small and on top of DSTV channel 259. Just in case you don't know, make it not be like say our mind don't strong. We go give you an introduction again. Based on arrangement until New Year things for City Hot. Now Mondays and Thursdays, me and Nkubi they come from 7 go reach 8. We dey discuss all the action where they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We want beg now because we know say on top of City Hot, we dey like carry visitors come to come discuss matter. If we not check them, we go say we don't do countdown to election inside Nigeria. We don't line up all these big people them. We they call them. Some they pick our call. Some no they pick our call. Because we tell them say if you come on top of City Auto, we go ask you the question as the thing they warning Nigerians for mind. Make una just rest assured say they go come, they go sit down, they go talk the matter, and everybody inside this country go yeah. My name now is Ugo Chokwode. And as usual, I know the alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they go to the political matter. As it is.
Yes, good evening, Nigerians. Welcome to another beautiful Monday evening. And the program still remains as it is hot. With only the time as they hot on that political program with the sunshine now with them. Matters will affect now, will affect us, will affect everybody. And just as my brother, Chuku don't talk, at least that moment we'll go carry all those questions. Throw give people who don't.
No vessel. Why you they do introduction? Can't they do your eye like they do sexy eyes? Why? Wait happen. No, I need to understand because today when you dress like lawyer, charge and pay lawyer, put white this thing. Why you gonna do introduction like this? You know the same men they watch this show too. It isn't only women they watch the show. Why you gonna talk say, oh, you don't come again and see there? Why they tint your eyes?
Wait.
Why they say you? Why they say you?
Let me get this straight. Are they do introduction, Chukudi? Out of nowhere, you.
Thank you.
Come break into my
this
talk.
attitude where you they use they attack me now. Now I won't see, make you put.
Out of nowhere, just come break.
Exactly.
What is your problem?
Yeah.
How do you expect me to address Nigerians?
Address them like this.
No, and they vex. Nigeria go to say maybe I carry them for mind.
No, why you gonna do eyes like this? Who you want try say this?
I'm trying to
like, coming to the show. Now see, do your eye normal. People know you. People know who they talk through. Out of two of us, no, your pretense cannot even work. Please go ahead with the show.
So as I talk. We don't carry and come again, and then we get 3 solid telephone line for now. And 1 toll-free line. The only time I see this toll-free line, they're very free. Now, if I just call, contribute, start in our mind. The payment may not leave down for us. If you like, kill yourself on top of my own way of doing my introduction. I don't care. My name still remains Nkubi. Thank you.
That's what I want to see. This is the attitude I want to see.
What attitude?
Why you gonna if now Esther there? Yeah? Esther there,
What has Esther got to do with
they are now so all these politicians when you follow go do meeting.
Esther, if you are watching, what relationship do you have with me introducing myself to a program?
10 Nigerians. All these politicians, and so they will come too. They do say, vote for us. We are going to build bridge. You want to build bridge where water no day? Vote for
case,
us. We are going to build schools.
I have not taken up any political position.
Who knows your plan? You even got you where we say before, we know say you dey dress like traditional man. Person will come from maybe Bayelsa. Maybe person will come from Bayelsa with your hat. Today you go to wear suit.
Hey, enough of that. What's your problem?
They dress like pastor. They dress like pastor.
You don't do you. Nigerians will be able to test out this program. At least we know who they dress formal, the English formal. We know who they dress traditionally. See, even the cloth where nobody even fit the state your color. You are wearing your brown and the cloth you're wearing is also brown. So how do you identify your skin from the cloth?
This is the attitude I want. Thank you. Fire on. No, fire on. Hey, welcome to the show. They do like C. Ronaldo. Welcome to Mr. Nigeria. Welcome to the show. They use how they deceive people. Many things that you always they talk true. Our people waiting for us more than no verse. I had to say the truth. We have made this mistake before. We will not make the mistake again.
So,
as they are lying to us, we expose them.
You not see me as a symbol of mistake.
I'm not seeing you as a symbol of mistake.
No. Because the way you're saying, we have made this mistake before. What are you referring to?
I call your name.
Do I look like a mistake?
I call your name.
Oh, God. What have I done to deserve this?
No call God for this matter. I will continue to expose all of you. All of you.
Just
our people waiting for us. Make we enter our story. And this is our first story. The thing is very, very touching. It is touching. Because today, May 14th, our sister, our daughter, Leah Sharibu, when we say bad people enter inside their school, come carry them, come out, 110 of them, carry them by force, come out for inside school. But based on, say, President Muhammadu Buhari, our papa, the man when I resemble with height.
Akoko, the seats, your type. Carry on, we know you.
I know resemble him with height.
Akoko.
Is he not tall?
Mba.
Am I not tall?
Yishike.
Are we not tall?
Tall. So now tall they define integrity.
President Muhammadu Buhari promise, in vow, say go do everything when if you do to use ensure, say, all these girls then come back safe. And we see progress as it take concern the matter. But from the gist, when come out from that thing, they talk, say, Leah Sharibu, based on account of her faith, these bad people talk, say, they no go release her. Today will be May 14th, supposed to be Leah Sharibu birthday. As we dey talk today will be 14th, we dey pray, say, may God give comfort to her family. May God give comfort to her parents. May God help our government so that the effort whether they make to use rescue Chibok girls, Dapchi girls, and every other person, boy, girl, man, woman, when we say these bad people don't carry come up from our country by force, say, make them rescue them. So we dey talk, say, as you dey go sleep for night, after you watch this show, if you want pray, pray for Leah Sharibu, pray for Nigerians, pray for Nigeria, pray for yourself, because now this country, now be the only thing when we get. Now our first story based on as it is hot.
Alliance. Bless now the thing where they do it, where they want to the reign now be that, and why I talk this one. The PDP, that is the PDP will be the former at least ruling party, don't come out, come look say it make at least parties match together, and at least you get one particular major person they spearhead this particular move. The PDP, the ADC will be the African Democratic Congress, led by our former president Oga OBJ, and also the Social Democratic Party led by Chief Olufalaye, and plus about 35 political parties don't do it. Don't come and talk. Say they go try do it. Talk at least talk with themselves to see a way with them from alliance. What I mean alliance, form a very formidable party, a very strong party. What I mean a very strong party, a party where we say at least they go stand as strong opposition against them, the ruling party will be APC in the next general election where they come. On to say the kind of complaint where these parties and the individuals, at least people where they lead this party, don't they complain about how this present government they take handle things, as things they go for the country, say you know sue their belly, and for that reason, say at least they go do it, they go spearhead the movement to ensure say the ruling party do it, they come out from and sit. In the same, make also not at least make also tell say the same action where this same ruling party take in the last election, where we get at least a strong alliance, where include them CPC, where include them ACN, where include them AN people, where also include them a faction of PDP, where they come together. Now the same formidable thing we don't see now. But the major thing be say, the question be say, and the catalyst with the thought of people Nigeria will ask, we say, what exactly be the driving point of these people? Where and where will be the result? China say now we say na better integrity, abi na better thing when I carry for mind. Make na say na one form this alliance, abi na that thing na carry for mind. That get to do with the alliance where at least some strong opposition don't come and talk say they won't do it, they won't form.
Make we enter inside Kaduna. Whether you like the governor, Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, or you don't like the governor, you go understand, say, that governor na person wey say, if he come out, say, make we do these things this way, because this way, now he go lead us to development. This way, now he go lead us to progress. Everybody go support and do am that right way. This one, because of say, for the local government election, make I break that quickly. For Nigeria, we get 3 levels or tiers of government. Federal, when we say President Muhammadu Buhari, now sit down on top as the Oga Patapata. State, when we get 36 of them, when we also get 36 governors. Then local government, when we get 774. The local government, that be the least or the smallest of all these 3 levels. And that be the government when they're closest to the people. But because of say, we know they see the work of local government, everybody go down, they shout federal, federal, federal. Your pot of soup miss, now President Muhammadu Buhari. Your wife talk to you anyhow, now President Muhammadu Buhari. Your landlord complain, now President Muhammadu Buhari. You and your neighbor get issue, now President Muhammadu Buhari. But for inside Kaduna, Now we just say they conduct local government election. The way when they take conduct the local government election, people cut cap, two hand, say Governor Nasiru El-Rufai, you be man, based on say you introduce technology for that election. Make everybody understand. Now, they don't carry package when we say, rather than say we come, carry paper, carry register, they find our name, they do this, they do that. Now just device based on e-voting. They go just carry the machine come. When you come do your accreditation, you go just come. In less than 5 seconds, pim, you don't vote who you want vote for. Pim, you don't vote who you want vote for. Pim, you don't vote for who you want vote for. According to the information of the result wey even come out, as at Sunday, when we say they get result for 11 local governments, PDP don't win 1 local government for inside Kaduna. Una go notice say for the other local government election what they do. If na PDP be the governor, all the whole local government na PDP go win am. If na APC be the governor, all the whole local government na APC go win am. But for Kaduna, we don dey see say the vote of the people na in dey count, and the governor come out in talk am. He said this one no be about say make our party win everything, make one party no win anything. He said make the people come out. If their belly dey sweet, say governor dey work, they go vote for the governor. If their belly dey sweet, say party they do well, they go vote for that particular party. Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, we cut hand give you as he take consign this particular one, oh, because as we do like this now, not be say we not dey cut cap give people anyhow. Because the reason why you did there in the first place, now make you do and make it do well. But based on say, if government do well, we go talk say government do well. If government do bad, we go flog them koboko. Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, you na strong man. Collect am, na you.
From
Collect
that particular,
collect am.
You don't do. I don't talk am. Collect am. Why they raise your voice? What is that?
I dey talk saying.
Now you don't talk am before. Now Nigerians don't hear it. Why must you exaggerate it?
But
because that exaggeration go come like say black say they fake am.
No, collect am. Now 3 times. Everything's supposed to be 3 times.
Please, thank you. We know they vote here now. Yeah. Thank you very much. From that particular successful at least election we hold for Kaduna, more also come give now this will get to do with the social economic rights and accountability project that is SERAP. SERAP will be human rights advocacy group. Don't do it. Don't cry out to UN. No, when I mean UN, United Nations. No, say make them come do it. Make them come at least carry one. You know, come at least talk to our president. Unto waiting. Unto say the way our president take violate court ruling. Say he no good at all. Court ruling we say at least when they happen under in government still he go do it, he go dey violate and go say no, I will not obey that particular judgment and all that. Say our president say they choose the kind of court judgment where he go accept and where he no go accept. After that is say, hey, say na bad thing. Say the way this thing they go say no be something we say we go give us better name. And considering the fact say we get leadership we suppose they obey law and order. We suppose at least lead by example. Say with the example that they lead, say hey that time go come we say hey things not well make no pray to make things bad, but make things start to go the way no good, where way no the ideal. Say hey problem go do with it, the problem go do overwhelming, and for that reason say make them come warn our president, say make they do it, make they obey court judgment.
Una don hear all our stories 1, 2, 3, and 4. We no go waste time, go through our phone lines open, make you call and chook mouth as you take concern all this matter. If you just join us now, make I just give it to you what they call recap. We've been talking today when we May 14th, and at the birthday of Leah Sharibu. Who be Leah Sharibu? One of the Dapchi girls when we say she's still there for the hand of these bad people when talk say they no go release her. We say anything what you do, make you they pray for her. Make you they pray for the Chibok girls. And make you they pray for every Nigerian when we say these bad people they still they hold. And make you they support government when they committed to ensure they say we they safe for inside this our country. From that one we enter on that story. We get to do with election, local government election for inside Kaduna. We talk say the introduction of technology, it go make life dey very, very easy, and we don't see that particular one. Who could be also talk about SERAP? SERAP na people say they do plenty work as they concern advocacy inside Nigeria, and they don't carry the federal government go report for the United Nations say the kind behavior of the federal government as they concern say court go give order and then go disobey the order. They say they don't like am. Say make United Nations chook mouth for the matter and do something quickly about that particular issue. And finally, we go talk about the alliance, major coalition between 35 political parties and the People's Democratic Party. When come and talk say we won't comot President Muhammadu Buhari for power, and the only one who fit comot am now when we come together. Now all our stories be that. Just call, check your mind as it concern this matter based on as it
Yeah, so we don't hear all the stories, and then make we at least go through. This all get to do with Leah. Leah, the story now one particular we say it did very, very disturbing. For those of our viewers, we say we probably don't know, but I won't believe say a lot of our viewers know what really happened. This all get to do with the Dapchi guys who they kidnapped for February. When I mean February 16th. February at least now they kidnapped. Yes, now they kidnap now they enter into this particular school, kidnap about 110 girls for Dapchi, and at least as federal government can step up on the move to ensure say they bring this girl back, at least they intensify that particular move, and eventually at least about 105 girls come back, and some also pie in the process. But one girl can't do it. They can't leave that one behind. Unto say waiting. Unto say that they say that they try force and make you accept Islam. But she can't insist, say no. Say I will not accept Islam. Say waiting. Say I will stick to my religion. And for that reason, they can't hold them. Well, today marks a bad day. And then part of waiting, the parents also come and talk. Say at least they plead to at least the media. May they also come out at least to also support the process. They put pressure on the federal government. So make the federal government on their own part also fit intensify on the move to ensure say at least they bring back this girl, because I would not hear them in the past after the release say okay we'll get this girl back. So we'll go say they never forget her. Say they will also make sure say Leah come back to her parents and all that. But still we'll never really know the updates. We'll never really know what they happen now. But now something we say they saddened, it is disturbing, at least for us to at least have people who say then kidnap, and yet they will still they get that flow, say somehow, then they say forever they day. But at least the government will believe you, or also know say at least with the first time achievement we don't make in bringing back some of these girls, they will also feel intensify more on the move to ensure say other girls also come back to their respective parents.
Abel, be on top of our telephone line. Abel, good evening and welcome to Acid Hot.
Good evening.
Mabel,
good evening, Mabel.
Yeah, good evening. I want to contribute on that particular lady that...
Yes,
Leah,
go ahead.
They hear you.
Okay, I want to contribute on that.
Okay.
Today is her birthday.
Would they hear Mabel?
Okay, thank you very much. It's so annoying that we don't know if the government is really doing anything possible to see that this girl is being released in the first place. It's annoying to know that a particular girl is being held captive. Some certain part of girls have been held captive for a very long time. And then you see our President Buhari travel out of the country to do useless meetings.
Mabel.
I'm with you. Mabel, they hot.
We know say your blood they hot, but no let her control her. You understand? Make the temperature not come boil too much.
Okay.
So yeah, just talk your mind. Finish for the matter.
Okay, now I mean, since this girl, she not there with us. We see they pray when they release the girl. So now we still celebrate the girl because she don't try. Most people, what did that girl do on a norm? Another person not do one.
Not true.
Good. So that girl needs to be celebrated everywhere in Nigeria. That girl is an icon on her own.
Very true. Thank you very much for this contribution. Now, why we carry the matter come and for the full Nigeria, una know na me and Nkubi now. All this matter where people don't even want to talk now, we always they talk out now. Because based on Acid Hot, we get another person on top of our telephone. Like Erasmo, thank you for your patience. Welcome to Acid Hot.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, Erasmo.
I think on this program, no be small.
Not the number one program, not the number one. Continue.
Actually, that girl will still remain for that people custody. Are you with me?
Would they hear Erasmo?
That girl na Jesus Christ. Na Jesus Christ, and they call her female Jesus Christ. And by the special grace of God, that girl will come and meet us in Jesus' name.
Amen.
And the issue of President where they forfeit. Well, I blame her, so we will be put up for that place. Now we blame ourselves.
Oga Erasmo, you and the people where they blame on ourselves. Now una blame. You understand?
Yes,
other people when we say they talk say the way we listen dey now, e sweet them for their belly, now they are sweet.
Own, yes.
But the truth we say, as Nigerians, we must all know say after election come, election go. Now the country now we dey face, and we go do everything to you see say we move our country go the permanent side. But we appreciate this your contribution.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Oh. We got another person with their telephone line. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Emeka, you there?
Emeka, good evening, Jare. We hear you. Thank you very much, Emeka.
My brother, this issue of this because it's telling me. The only problem in this country is not that it's not for us to be solved. The Bible says it's not a leader, at least it's pray for them. So the only thing I'm anticipating, please, I will pray, let God, as far as he can stay on her step like that, I pray, let God answer her prayer. At least let her come out alive. I will be the happiest person if she comes out alive. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ogemeka. At least now one collective prayers when Nigerians don't put mouth together, they pray, say, look, at least they make this girl come back. Because we all cannot imagine why they go say they release them others and the commission only had them hold back because of her belief and all that. Now something we say they disturbing. But at least we also believe say the government with the kind of level they don't carry in bringing back other girls, we also believe say and they make also put that faith in them. Say they go also carry that same leg to ensure say others also come back. We got another person with our telephone line. Good evening, welcome to Us the Hot.
Yes, good evening.
Yeah, we hear you. Talk to us.
Yeah, my name is Yusuf from Kaduna.
Okay, Oga Yusuf.
Yes, Nkubi and Chukudi. I greet you now.
We greet you, Oga Yusuf.
In fact, I'm very, very happy to be on this program this evening. What I want to talk, Nkubi.
Yes.
I see say you don't make thumbs up for we governor El-Rufai. True, this machine is good. But the thing where they happen now, the kind outcome, they show our own, the way we vote.
What happen? Why you talk so?
What make you talk so, Oga Yusuf? What make you talk so?
What make me I talk so? Because the way that they release the results, not be the way we come vote. The results, they show our own voting.
But Oga Yusuf,
they want to overturn the results.
Oga Yusuf, wait.
Yes.
Now, for all the results where don't come out so far, how many local governments the parties them don't win?
Okay, the parties, most of the local government, they are saying APC, now then they win. But as far as we understand, some of the local government, their results have not been announced. And I don't know why it is taking too long for them to announce this result. And most of the local government where their results are being held, PDP, they made a very good, the voters there made a very good voting by voting PDP.
Okay.
So I beg, I know say this machine is good well, but the way they want to turn the
result.
I know the
Oga Yusuf, make we just mention am say election na one man one vote. You understand? Unless meeting they can't call meeting at the end of the election because they say who you vote for, who you vote for, who you vote for, who you vote for. And you know the vote where other people vote, and only you know the vote where you vote. But the truth be say, all this process, now process where we say we need to improve, do and well to see say we make them better. But we appreciate your contribution from Kaduna. We go inside Ogun State. Collect this call. Hello, good evening and welcome to Asidia Chinedu.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Chinedu.
I appreciate your whatever you are doing.
Thank you.
I want to comment on Leah.
Okay.
This girl.
How do you hear you?
The girl is a hero. And God will show why he's God. God will do something on a good day. Everybody will be surprised. The case is case between God and the thieves. Not case of we human being and the Boko Haram. And God is not sleeping. So everybody should calm down, continue praying. his power is made manifest in our weakness. The time everybody will go and sleep, God will strike. So that's where I hope.
Oga Chinedu, thank you very, very much for your strong faith. And we, in the same vein and the same, at least, mood, we know, say, a lot of us get the same faith. And but to also ensure that faith work, at least we also at least further press on the government, make them further intensify on the search and ensure, say, this gets them. Then come back home because at least we could do our own part to also the produce make also support her with pressure. The pressure the government so Chibina talks now go bring her back. Chibina talks now go bring her back. What are we still waiting for and all that? Now with this particular move and collective action, we go yes, we go see say yes at least we they do our own part. And government also knows that these people they will need to at least respond or answer their demand and call
very
for,
true.
for action.
Make we also emphasize say. Strength day when all of us they speak together, with one voice. Yes. If all of us they talk with one voice, power they there and we go to see result. No matter the thing they be, if everybody gather one voice they talk, no how we no go see result. So instead of make one people they talk go like this one they talk go like this. If all of us they come together and we they talk the matter the way anything they be, we go to see result. So now this is say since the show starts, me and Nkubina now one voice. Now who they use they talk because as they talk the truth, if they join me, they talk the truth. If not, we for don't they fight because me I no go allow and can't lie on top of this show.
Because I resemble liar.
I don't say you be liar now.
No, now it should be in the same way. I will not allow you to lie as well.
We get caller from Lagos.
Because no fit they lie.
We get caller.
Miriam, good evening. Welcome to us today.
Don't change voice.
Good evening.
We greet you.
Okay, good evening.
Yes,
we greet you.
This at the hotel. It's really the hot.
Now so.
Leah.
Would they hear you? Would they hear you?
Hello?
Would they hear? Would they hear? Continue.
About Leah Saibu.
Okay.
You know, yesterday, me and my student was discussing about that girl.
Okay.
Do you understand? And what I'm trying to say is that, me, particularly as a Muslim.
Hey! She won't talk something with the very say she herself as a Muslim.
Yeah.
And at least for you to even talk, say, look, it is about the individual, about life being involved, about the safety of a Nigerian being held by at least by some kind of bad belly people. And for that safety Nigerian to come back to his parents. Because we're all humans. At least we know where they carry matter go, Miriam. Thank you very, very much for that solid contribution. But if you get the opportunity, still try call us back and make you finish the talk where you want to talk. Thank you very much.
It could make we also emphasize, say first, all of us be human beings.
Yes.
You understand? We be human beings before we be man or woman.
Yes.
Before we be Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Calabar, Nupe, Efik, TV, Idoma, Angas, Nupe, Ishakedi, all of them. Before we be Nigerian, Ghanaian, Malaysian, Singaporean, all those things.
I don't do, thank you. Don't be rhyme with the We have a caller. Thank you very much. Just hold it there. Good evening. Welcome to Us the Hot. Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Would they hear you talk to us? Peter.
Okay. What I want to say is this. I am still talking about the IG.
Okay.
The IG. So the order by the president that he should relocate to Benue, and he did not follow it up immediately. In fact, I can say that even the commander-in-chief himself did not even tell Nigeria to know whether there is any action that followed it, as he has given the order to the IG. Nobody knows. So I think two of them, everybody knows how he became the IG. So they are doing garbage in and garbage out. So automatically, and it's not only the president's order. First of all the court orders on the IG that he should vacate the district office. Up to now, he did not obey that order. And at the same time, too, even the Senate has already invited him how many times? He did not go. So it's not only presidential order. He's disobeying everybody. And he has forgotten that his salary is being paid by the
government, yes. Thank you very much, Oga Peter, for that contribution. At least we always talk and say, Abuja, Lagos. We know, say yes, now federal capital, and with the particular edition of us, the hot winner they watch. Now, the one we will actually do last week, thereabout. We got another person there on the telephone line. Chinedu, good evening. Welcome to us, the hot.
Yeah, good evening, my brother. I just enter screen now. I never understand the topic.
Okay, Oga Chinedu, now 4 topic now we carry come. One get to do with Leah Sharibu, the last Dapchi girl when they never released. We also talk about local government election for inside Kaduna, and the fact say they use technology for that election, and they talk say all these things go make life easy for Nigerian people. We also talk about the fact say political parties say they won't come together to join hand, use comot APC for inside government. And our final story get to do with waiting the reports when Serap go report President Muhammadu Buhari government for United Nations say El Zakzaki and even Sambo Dasuki when court say make him free, he no gree free them. Took your mouth for the matter.
My brother, good evening.
Would they greet once again?
The funny thing for this country is all the hot things where we they talk. I don't think say the rich government here. We are practicing dictatorship. A country where if the masses are complaining, the people at the top are not ready to listen. It is very funny. Now they are talking of elections. Go and buy a PVC, bring your PVC. The funny thing is that the election doesn't even count. Like the place where I'm living, and without election, if you go where you want to cast your vote, you will see Abro will dominate everywhere and divert it to the people whom they want to, to win the election. And the issue of the Dapchi girl, it is very funny. How are we sure that there is a girl that is there withholding? Everything in this country is rumor. In fact, we are confused. We, the citizens of this country, are confused with the government of the day.
Oga Chinedu, thank you very, very much for your contribution. I will not hear your points on top of what you talk, but if I go first address the last way you talk, we get to do with this particular Dapchi girl matter. Well, nobody will can't take the life of people and they take play politics, or probably they take play, say maybe they want to come at least they get attention. The majority we say at least people were kidnapped, girls were kidnapped, and they released some of these girls. I mean, they released almost all these girls. In the process of releasing some of all these girls, some die. Some die in the process. And also, finally, we can also get one where then hold back unto say she stand on her faith. Say, I no go change because of say I believe in my faith. And if you look at these scenarios, can't look at all these activities, at least nobody will call the talk, say this thing that false. Or maybe now political, mago and all that. Well, now your own opinion, but the majority be say, our own say, make could they at least put that pressure on government, make they also fit and intensify the search to bring back the remaining girls they for the hands of Boko Haram. And from that one, the way we also talk about at least this thing government, but make you also bear in mind say our election they count. Because now election count will take commot PDP from power, bring in this political party. So in the same way, get that face say things are changing. We got another person with our telephone line. Good evening, welcome to Ask the Hot.
Hey, Oga Felix, I beg you to get chance, call us back, make your contribution for this particular matter and talk your mind. Unkubi don't hit the matter. And the fact say matter concern all of us inside of Odo Nigeria. Irrespective of how we take think it go good make we talk in the right way. Because me I won't believe say no papa, no mama, no brother, no sister go they happy, say their own family member not there with them. You don't know what don't happen to the person, you don't know how the person there, you don't know the person condition. So it go good make if we hear some stories for inside this country, make we talk in the way when we say make we do this thing well so that everybody go happy. Make we enter inside Benin, collect this call. Good evening and welcome to Asidio Tony.
Good evening, Tony.
Good evening, Kobe and Chukode.
We greet you.
How about Adeze? Where would I keep her?
Well, she did her mama house, in parents' house. They also at least, if you be say right now, they cook or they cook one particular special soup for your people then. So we never can tell.
I know say Chukode not go give me the number. But you could be after the program, give me a number.
Before that one, we will first contribute for the matter we're on ground today.
Okay, seriously speaking about the girls.
Okay.
Honestly, I don't know how our leaders reason. How can they keep that near there and that everybody goes to sleep? And if and welcome. I ask, where are the conscience of our politicians? Don't they have female daughters? Don't they have children? I mean, where is the God in them? How do they sleep at night? If they can keep that little girl there and there's no effort, and people are busy talking about one thing or the other, congresses or no congresses, it's not proper. It's not good.
No good. Oga Tony, we appreciate you. Just go straight to the point. So say no proper, no good. We appreciate. Hey, Menike, they call us all the way from Benue. We hope so you still there. I see their heart. Would they hear you?
Hello, Chukode. Good evening.
Good evening, Oga Menike.
How are you?
We're fine.
Thank you for the topic today. In fact, all the topics.
Hey, what just happened? What just happened? No. Why they ask me? Why they ask me? Am I related to network?
It's a harmless
question. Why
don't
go ask telecommunication?
It's a harmless question.
Why can't they ask me as if I mean pause or stop?
Waiting you carry for mind.
Why you go ask me that kind of question?
I just said, could be waiting happen.
And now you go ask me as if I know what happened to the call.
Why you call? Oga Gabriel, we get caller.
Yes, I'm with you.
Oga Gabriel, carry on.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We hear you, Oga Gabriel. Good evening.
Thank you very much. Please, I want to contribute on the issue of this Serap reporting the state government.
The federal government, yes.
The federal government.
Yes.
You see, the issue, what is happening in Nigeria now, if you look into it critically, you will see that the government are not law-abiding citizens. And you are expecting the citizen to obey you. Check out, if you see, come to Abuja now, you see the shade, they are clashing everywhere in Abuja up till now. And the government cannot do anything about it, to come outside to say, okay, look at it. Let me see what will happen. Let's obey the court order. Disobeying court order in this nation is one of the most shameful things happening in this country. Now, look at the issue of this Leah. Leah has been there, and you said you are rescuing the lady. Up to now, you have not rescued her. Let's be honest. Let's be sincere to ourselves. This government is not doing anything. We are tired of them. We are tired. Nobody. Okay, just ordinary tomato in the market now is 2,000 something. Everything is just rubbish. Election they did in Kaduna, they are manipulating everything. Ordinary local government election they did. Something that you're supposed to have. You said electronic machine calculated, did everything. You cannot, ordinary calculator, press a calculator, you get a result immediately. You cannot. Let's be sincere to ourselves, please. I appreciate you people for that.
We appreciate. Miriam, don't call us back. Thank you very much. We they hear you. Just they talk, they go.
Fire on Miriam.
Okay, I was saying that Leah Shaibu. To be sincere, you know, I with that girl, she's one of the top minister, senators, daughter. We cannot report this today. Just because she's just a commoner as we are you. You understand? That is why her case is different. And let us be sincere to ourselves, As I was saying before, I am a Muslim. But Islam is against kidnapping. Because Islam said there is no compulsion in religion. You understand?
Yes.
There is no compulsion in religion. And Almighty Allah said that I wish we, all of us worship one religion. But it's his own will. Let us have diversion in religion. So you understand? Please, the government, they should try their best to rescue that girl. They should just look at the condition of our parents. Do you understand? Please, I'm begging the federal government now. Whosoever is in the position, you should please, for the sake of God, not because of we Nigerians, please rescue the poor girl. Because what that girl did, even our scholars, Islam scholars, even the pastors, they cannot do. You understand? They cannot do it because if they want to keep it, they don't need to force her to do what she's not supposed to do. Please, me now particularly, I'm begging all the federal government, they should please, for the sake of God, not we, to rescue the innocent there. That is my contribution for now.
Thank you very, very much, Miriam, for this contribution. Thank you very, very much. And at least from that expression, from the way you just talk, you talk and say the religion way they practice, no, they promote violence or kidnap or anything way they bad. Now, to tell you, say at least sincerity day for religion. Now, just people who just carry take
all the thing upside down
and the other way around. Come they take and they do badness. Come they talk and say in the name of a particular religion. You know the idea.
You get one song when I remember now. Allahumma ya Rabbi salli ala Muhammad. Oh, if I tell you my story, you don't go believe. Oh,
I know your story now.
Everybody when they watch, this one not be joke. I live with Muslim. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. I come from Enugu State. I be Christian. In fact, I be Catholic. In fact, I be president of Altar. Ask anybody who know me. When I small, now me be president of Altar Boys Association for St. Mary's Catholic Church for Isolo. I dey shake Father Oyibo with a shake like this. I dey shake am like this. I live with Muslim family for close to 9 years for my life.
With them, Gongongo Abi?
The Sadiq family. They come from Ibonwo for this Lagos state. You know what they call me? Sadiq Igbo. Never for once, Mama Sherif, Iyatao, she complain, say, I chop food. Or, what they do for the house? My friend, Sherif Adebayo Sadiq, now like this, me and Ambe. Everybody for this life, they fear her. Throughout the, me and Am for one day, we never ever fight. Say we get issue. So all this talk about, say, these people, they be Christian, this one, they be Muslim, this one, they be traditionalist. If all the religion, they preach peace, then which one can they preach confusion? Unless we no get sense to understand the religion. They say Islam is the religion of peace. For Christianity, they talk, say, love your neighbor as you love yourself. Even for African traditional religion, my grandpapa, before he die, me I know say, he know they find trouble. And na head dog and a senior man for community. So which people come be the people where they cause trouble? Who they teach nonsense? Who they understand nonsense? Who they cause trouble for this country? I go sing this song. Allahumma amin, Allahumma amin.
We got to another person with their telephone line. Good evening, welcome to us in the Hot.
Good evening, sir.
Easy, welcome back. Could they hear you?
Yes, sir. So this election didn't tire me.
The one where happened for Kaduna?
The one where happened for Nasarawa.
Okay, Nasarawa do local government election this weekend?
No. When we finish from mass in the church, they say we should pay to 200 to get PVC.
To pay 200 to collect PVC?
Yes.
For inside Nasarawa?
Yes, for this St. Michael Jew.
Wait, oh. They carry the PVC come inside church.
They said they're going to bring it, but all the members we should pay to 200 naira.
St. Michael for where?
No. Eh?
St. Michael where?
Jehu for Massacre, Nasarawa State.
St. Michael Jehu for Massacre?
Yes, sir.
Who be the people when come? Now INEC people who have been somebody for the church. Now make the announcement.
They tell us that INEC people they will come, but we are going to pay to 200.
Who so come? Who tell you now? Who give you now this information? Say INEC people they come.
Now the person, Mr. Benjamin, when they give us information.
Mr. Benjamin, they una church abi?
Yes, sir.
And now he talk say INEC they come and say make all of una contribute to 200.
For them to buy ink and all the rest.
Okay, not that. Oga Eze, not very so. Whoever give Mr. Benjamin that information and Mr. Benjamin, two of them, you understand? We don't put them for one side. We go
bring them to book.
No worry. We go reach out to our sources for INEC report. Say,
when I bring them to book, I beg.
Mr. Benjamin for St. Michael, for Jehu. For where you call her, you say Massacre.
For Massacre, yes.
Massacre for inside Nasarawa. Mr.
Yes,
Benjamin, St. Michael, Jehu, Massacre.
Yes,
thank you very much for this information. No give anybody money, oh. They're not they collect money to collect PVC. I beg.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much for this information.
Thank you, sir.
This thing when you don't talk now, the thing don't they vex me. Mr. Benjamin. Not do the one wey go put you for trouble, oh. Not do the one wey go put you for trouble, oh. Which one be say you go you come church they announce say many people contribute to 200 naira.
Well, the point they say.
And that man Benjamin, the name sound like Benjamin, Unkobe, Benjamin,
Chukudi. If not because I say we dey for live TV, I want to say you know where.
You want to say nowhere?
Eh.
But you don't talk am already.
No, I say if not because I say we dey, I for tell you say you know where. We got somebody with their telephone line. They compare me with Benjamin. Where are you calling us from, Jare? We hear you. Good evening.
Chukudi, I greet you now.
We greet you, God bless.
Hello to now, my brother.
We appreciate you, God bless.
I beg you see this our small girl when they carry go so when they don't feel released. America, three nine North Korea pick. But North Korea get hit of that country life. They ready for settlement. For Nigeria here today, if you like carry 1 million people go, it's nothing to our government. Make our government try to think that we human beings will be people. Now, they create us well. Will not be foul. So I beg, make the government try, make they release that there for us.
Very, very true.
Every day.
Okay, God bless. We appreciate this your contribution. Thank you very much. Everybody went down call us to discuss this matter. And Chukmat, as they constantly are Sharibu too, we appreciate you now. We pray, say, this badness not going to happen again. As we they pray, we want to see hard work on the part of we the people by telling the government, say, you promise, you must do it. And we go also support government when they committed to ensuring, say, they make our country better for us. Remember, whether political party they form coalition or they know they form coalition, at the end of the day, now we the Nigerian people, they will come and say, I beg go, make una vote for us. And we must begin to shine our eyes now. So they know those where we say, they mean well for the Nigerian people, and they go do well when we put them for there. And we don't also talk and say, technology is a good thing. Make we ensure say we do and well. Make it not be like say good thing, we go turn out to bad thing, can't spoil everything for inside this, our country. It got one song when I be one sing, I must sing that song. Who could be? Based on say, we won't end with peace. Understand?
We they fight before.
See the way we take even respond.
No. We they fight before. I go say go end with peace. Wait. I don't hear that one. Where? Entity shaking.
Now the song now.
Entity Jonah.
Now the song.
No. Why take Entity Jonah?
No.
Jonah.
You know say with Muslims.
No, Titalo Jonah.
Muslims not like this.
Hey, now, wait. I know. I hear the lyrics. We say anything.
No, my body just moved.
No. You pointed at this direction.
Our people were there for.
Just our people anything. No, just we can go. Anything you don't know how.
Our people, Unkubi, let's end with peace.
No, we don't go. We have gone already. We are going. We are coming back on Thursday.
Our people went there for.
You are not our people anything.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.